Today I will be discussing an issue that has been coming up many times on the forums and on Facebook pages and stuff. And for example, if your car it starts but it doesn't want to move because you press the pedal and it doesn't do anything, it's probably because the pedal spacer has gone out. That pedal spacer is basically a spacer that goes between the pedal bracket and the bracket of the that goes to the chassis. Basically, if that is not working, the position sensor reads in a negative position, so the car goes on limp mode. And so I'm gonna show you how to uninstall the pedal assembly and how to fix that on cheap, because sometimes people just buy brand new pedal assemblies and all that, and it's because they don't know what they're doing, so they just buy whatever the mechanic says and try to fix it. Well, I'm gonna show you how to fix it with less than 10 cents. So to start, this is the pedal assembly, and to remove this you just need to remove these two bolts, this one right here and one up here, and remove these position sensor. Okay, so this is the pedal assembly out of the vehicle. It just goes in the bracket like this, and what you're gonna notice is it could be your position sensor that's gone bad. Probably not, because I haven't all the people that have this kind of issue that the car won't move, it mostly is the spacer thing that's just gone bad, but it's not the actual the sensor, or it's not actually the sensor, or it's not actually the throttle body. It's just that the spacer has gone out. Alright, see what I did there? It's basically a 10mm bolt that goes right through, and you have a little washer and a counter nut to grab the thing right there. Okay, so it is supposed to maintain that kind of gap between this little bracket and this bracket. If that gap is not there, then the position sensor will notice that it is not correctly reading, because this little lever right here, this is the position sensor. If that is not there, then the car won't move, because it will say, hey, the position sensor is on a negative scale, so hey, let's activate limp mode. We don't know what the hell is going on. Okay, so I measured the distance between the rod and the metal bracket, and it turns out to be around 5mm, about 6mm, the upper part. So if you have around 6mm on the spacing between the bracket and the metal rod, then the vehicle should work just fine. I've been running the vehicle with this little thing installed for around maybe like 6 months now, and it's been working perfectly. That's pretty much how to solve the pedal issue and the limp mode, and if the car won't move forward but it starts and it says that pedal position is wrong. Well, now you know how to fix it. Pretty quick. You don't have to invest much. What, like maybe 25 cents at most. I hope this video was helpful. Like and share, and keep subscribed.